All right, today we have a loose faucet. It moves very freely. And I'm gonna show you the best way I think you should go about fixing this. Let's jump right in. Couple of options. We need to tighten the nut that's on the bottom of the faucet. You could use the correct size open end wrench. You can use an adjustable crescent wrench, or you can use the tool that is specifically designed to tighten sink faucets. This is a rigid multi-tool, and I'm gonna show you underneath this sink. This can be a game changer if you don't have a lot of room to work when going under the sink and you're tightening faucets a lot on a weekly basis or monthly basis, or installing a lot of faucets. First step, I'm gonna unplug the garbage disposal and just try and get any obstruction or cords out of my way that I don't want in my way. Next, we need a way to light the area we are working with. I love this Milwaukee LED magnetic flashlight, and it comes in handy. Lots of cases, especially in this one where I need the light pointed straight up. So here's our sink right here, and here's the area we have to work with. And the nut that we have to tighten is right here. And as you can see, there's not a lot of room, especially to get an adjustable wrench. I mean, can it be done? Yes, but it's a pain in the butt. And this Ridge multi-tool just makes life a lot easier. I'm gonna get some of these hoses out of the way. This wrench has multiple sizes that can be used to tighten faucet nuts. So I'm gonna go through this way and then go straight up to tighten the faucet. When you do this, you want to insert this into the hose, the pull-out hose, and follow it up until you feel it tighten, until you feel it latch onto the nut. Then just tighten. Now I got it much better. It's always best to straighten this out before you do the tightening, but once you get it nice and torqued, you can kind of move it to the position you want and then just hammer home from there. I believe this is a 3/4 inch, so I'm gonna flip open to this side to torque it down so the faucet doesn't come loose again. I think one of the best tips that you can do when tightening or installing a faucet underneath the kitchen sink, have eye protection. You're gonna be looking up, stuff will fall in your eye, believe me. Now everything's tight, and this repair should last a long time. I'll leave a link in the description about this tool and where to get it. You can also use this screwdriver or something else, anything else, this hole to give it some more torque while you're under the sink if you have the room. But this is what I recommend to tighten and install sink faucets with not a lot of room to work with. If you have a better suggestion or a better way of doing it, please leave a comment below. As always, I'm Dave Spates. See you on the next fix.